Hello, I'm Darren.
And I'm Debbie.
And here is Ericus Budicus.
He is.
Earbud. Wait, no peeking.
He's peeking.
No
He wants to let him peek.
No peeking.
Let him peek. It's not going to have anything smelly in it.
No, but he's going to find the airbags of doom.
He's all right. He's gone. That's it.
Right.
Right. So in this unboxing, we're pretty sure we're going to get a hamster.
Yeah. This is a ZBox pass box. They were doing a deal on one of them. It was December 2021, and it's $9.99 instead of normal price of $19.99. They thought, well, the t-shirt's worth a tenner anyway, so it's got worth going it. So let's have a look.
Oh, look at you!
Got the airbags of doom.
What you got? What you found it? Are you going to go to bed, mate?
He looks like he wants to go to sleep.
Right. As I said, I knew we were going to get a hamster in this one. Say bye-bye.
Right. What we got?
A hamster that's snoring.
Oh, it's Gamora. I've seen the outfit in the comic book bit.
Ah, I'll take your word for it. You're going to get her out?
It's got a picture of Guardians of the Galaxy on the outside.
Oh, right, fair enough.
There is a Guardians of the Galaxy picture on the side. And
that hamster photo booth really works well, doesn't it?
It does, yeah.
Right. I do love Guardians of the Galaxy, actually.
Got skizzers. Well, these things are by Eagle Moss.
Usually, and
yeah, published by Eagle Moss. Yeah. Nice, actually. Very per bum.
Her boobs look like rocks. It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
She is nice. I don't think I'd be inclined to keep her because we're having to be quite strict with ourselves. But she is quite nice.
Yeah.
Yes, I know. I need to get him a little one of those rotating, revolving doodads. She has got a really good bum. I'm quite jealous.
Yeah. There we go. It's quite nice house.
I'll say it's up to you, dear, but
I don't know. Got to
think about it.
Sort it all out. But yeah.
That's
try that. 10 quid?
I'd say 10.
10.
She's quite a nice size, isn't she?
Yeah, she is. As usual, we'll be going through on these ones. We'll be going through and checking the prices afterwards.
That's right.
Right. Whoa! It's little. Battletoads, limited edition coin. Totally freaking awesome.
Is it like a spin-off from Teenage
Battletoads? No, Battletoads was a game. Limited to 1,991 worldwide.
Yeah. Well, it's quite nice. I've never heard of it before.
No. So we've got a few of these, a few different ones of these. These coins.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was Xbox Game Studios. Yeah, it was Xbox Game. Yeah.
Oh, no wonder we haven't heard of it.
So yeah, these are usually about a tenner. These are. So I'll say about a tenner. Right. T-shirt there, we'll leave a T-shirt. And what's this? Ooh!
Oh wow!
Willy Wonka and
Ooh,
the Chocolate
get it
Factory
out.
mini golden ticket.
It's always the problem is displaying these things. So we both absolutely love Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. In fact,
I drove my dad inside.
yes, you drove your dad insane with it.
Yeah.
He used to arrive home from work at exactly the same point in the film each time. I think he'd try and vary it, wouldn't he? No, who didn't want a Wonka bar and one with a golden ticket? I'm quite excited about this. They're quite good normally.
I'll show that. Like that. Start
It's
off
a mini
with
one, but you don't need a massive thing, do you?
heavily embossed metal ingot.
Does that mean I can touch it?
Well, it looks like it's.
It doesn't look like it's gold
like brass, doesn't
plated.
it?
It looks more, yeah. Which I'm quite pleased about. Crumbs. And so it's always the bit of trying to get it to lean up against something.
Oh, look at that!
That is so cool. You wouldn't want it any bigger than that, really. Oh, it's even got the blooming instructions.
I suppose you could always take the thing out and put it in the centre, I suppose.
Oh, right.
No, you could put it in the centre of there and you could see both sides with it. But no.
Yeah, it doesn't advertise any
No,
way
it's
you can
standard
get
or anything.
bits. No.
But no.
That is very nice. Yep, greetings to you, the lucky finder of this golden ticket from Mr. Willy Wonka. And the writing then gets smaller, so Darren
heavy
gets
as well,
to read
actually.
it. But yeah.
Alright, there it is.
That is
Wonka golden ticket.
I'm not getting rid of that. That's
And
great, that is.
Present this ticket at the factory gate at 10 o'clock in the morning of the first day of October, and do not be late. You may bring with you one member of your own family, and only one, but no one else.
That's alright, you can come in.
In your wildest dreams, you could not imagine the marvellous surprises that await you. That is awesome, that is.
Did anybody else want to try the not the daisy, the daffodil? You know,
So apparently the cup.
TV's, yeah.
No, he drinks it.
Oh, yes, it
Wonka
is.
drinks
It's
it
Wonka
and
that
eats it.
drinks it and
Apparently
eats
they're
it,
wax.
isn't it? Ooh.
Yeah. Apparently most of the stuff there was nasty. Apparently, the chocolate river stunk.
It would do very quickly.
Because it actually had milk and chocolate in it.
Yeah.
And it was hot under the lights, and it was there for days. Yeah, apparently it was bloody nasty.
Well, that's got to take some acting, hasn't it? It really does.
Don't know. 15, 20 quid?
Probably about 20.
20 quid?
I'd say 20.
Yeah, go for it.
I mean, to be honest, I wouldn't
Well,
put
this
it
is
all
looking good.
together.
This is looking good for this box, actually. It's better than the last bloody box I got from ZBox anyway.
Well, it was only because we sort of like, when we were looking on there, because we were looking at another one, and Darren saw,
I saw it on there, $9.99.
and he said, well, there's a t-shirt in it.
Hey!
Oh, no way!
Yeah, I did have a bit. When we got it through, I thought, I bet it's a white bloody t-shirt, because I don't like white t-shirts.
He doesn't like white t-shirts, no.
But it is.
It's a Harry Potter one.
It's a Dementor t-shirt.
I don't know. Oh, that is lovely. That is actually very, very nice. I like the colours as well.
But yeah, that's really nice, that is.
That is nice.
Chickens are awesome.
Darren hasn't got that many Harry Potter ones because obviously.
Yes, it is alright size. Yeah, good. Yeah. As we say with the t-shirts.
Tenner.
At a tenner. Yeah. Right. So.
That won't change. That'll stay at a tenner because we never bother looking up t-shirts.
Alright. So, we should just have a quick look and see how much things are. Because that stands at the moment, we've got 10, 20, 30, 50 quid's worth, we reckon.
I don't know why you don't grab my phone. I'd be a lot quicker if I just spoke into it.
Never mind.
No.
Right, yeah, right. Right.
We've had a look.
We've had a look. Alright. Gamora. Can't get it on Eaglemoss or bits like that.
No.
The cheapest we found it, it's on eBay.
£7.
£7 with free postage.
To be honest, what both of us thought was when we saw how nice it was,
Yeah.
we were sort of like, yeah, we prefer her in her movie outfit
the normal
as
outfit.
opposed to that.
Yeah.
But yeah,
The Wonka one. It's only £8 on Zavvi, which is a great deal.
it really is. I mean, to be honest, I look at Wonka stuff every Christmas.
Yeah.
Every Christmas I always look, and I've
It would
wanted
have
to
been
get
higher
Darren
than
a golden ticket for ages. So I know they haven't been that cheap.
Yeah, but it is £8, so that.
For £8 I would have scooped it up a few Christmases ago.
And the coin is what we said it was, £10
£10.
on Zavvi.
Which is fair enough. You know, you can get different price coins on eBay
You
and things.
can get
but
HMV
they're
have got it
different
cheaper,
types.
but it's silver.
Yeah,
And it's more because it's the more it's the rarer one.
it's the rarer.
Yeah, so we reckon £50.
They
From what we
said
found, 35. 35. So
and we paid £10. Well, we paid $9.99 for the box. So
yeah, result.
you know, good buy that one.
Yeah. So yeah. So
But no, favourite item, Darren. Mine was definitely the Wonka
it's
bar.
got to be the Wonka bar.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got to be.
Least favourite is probably the coin. It's not one that we follow
Never played it.
particularly. No,
Yeah.
no. But all the stuff was good.
Yeah.
I will freely admit that.
Yeah. That's
So
right.
yeah.
So yeah.
So tell us what you guys
What are your
think.
favourite ones?
Let us
And,
know.
Yeah. And yeah. Until next time.
Hang on.
Oh no.
No.
No. If you give us a like, give us a subscribe.
Because we have
Ring the
got
bell.
tons of different
We've got loads and loads
of
it's
different
coming on.
unboxing and bits.
Yeah.
Any questions? We filled them on Cook's Corner, which is our Friday chat with you guys.
Yeah.
But yeah. So we will see you soon.
Yeah. Have a good one.
And be different.
Bye.
Bye.